hold up, stop scrolling, because what you are looking at right now is definitely not your average dealership Mercedes. Welcome back to Royal Auto City, and today we are breaking down a complete automotive masterpiece that is currently breaking the internet. Now, if you really know your cars, your brain is probably glitching a little bit right now because you are thinking, wait, isn't the Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 supposed to be a sporty two-door coupe? Normally, you would be completely right. But the real showstopper is that front end, where they completely ditched the standard AMG mesh and replaced it with a massive, vertical chrome grille that looks like it belongs on a $1 million luxury coach. Pair that insane grille with those ultra-sleek, red-tinted LED headlights and a set of massive, turbine-style, multi-spoke chrome rims that fill out the fenders perfectly, and this car gets a slammed, VIP stance that looks like a villain straight out of a movie. Step inside the cabin because the interior is where things get truly unreal and go straight to the next level of opulence. The designers went all out with a breathtaking two-tone color scheme, pairing deep burgundy red with rich charcoal black leather and stunning, high-gloss pinstriped redwood trim that flows seamlessly from the dashboard into the doors. The vibrant red LED ambient lighting traces the entire cabin to make it look like a high-end luxury lounge at night, while the massive Mercedes digital cockpit and center touchscreen sit right at your fingertips to give you total control of the car's tech with zero effort. But the real magic happens when you move to the back seats, because this is officially a car where you want to be driven rather than just do the driving. The rear cabin features two individual captain's chairs wrapped in quilted diamond-stitched leather complete with custom plush headrest pillows, a full digital command tablet built right into the center console, and dual entertainment screens mounted on the front seats. It is basically a private jet on wheels that seamlessly blends track-ready AMG styling with elite luxury, making it the ultimate flex for anyone trying to travel in style. Drop a comment below to let us know if you would actually drive this masterpiece, or if you would rather sit in the back and let a chauffeur handle the road. And make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Royal Auto City so you never miss our next exclusive look at the world's wildest cars.